Hello, everybody. Been a minute since I got some clothes, some unboxings, so I'm excited for this. Yeah, I've been ready to shoot this video, you know. So we got a little unboxing slash review. Excuse me. Get some Matty Ice in me, you know what I'm saying? Iced coffee, that's what I do always. That's my thing. Gotta stay icy. Iced out, fall time. So this isn't really a fall item, but you know it's for next year. That's why it was like kind of on sale. I think it was like 50% off, so it was a really good sale. I was like, fuck, I need to get these now. There were some trail pants. Spoiler, they're trail shorts. There were some trail pants that I saw in there, and I wanted them so bad because these are so comfy, and I'm so in love with them. That's why I'm even doing this video. So I really wish I could have got those, but I didn't. So I'll have to wait and look around until I can eventually get the trail pants too, and then I'll do a review, unboxing on those as well. But for today, we're doing a review, unboxing on the Nike ACG trail shorts. Probably the comfiest shorts I've ever worn. Really love them. That's why I've decided to do this video. I have another. The first pair I got isn't on sale. I got them like Boxing Day for the summer, and I've been wearing them all summer. They're like these green camo looking ones. Yeah. And today we got this rust oxide orange type color, and I really love them. I'm a big orange kind of guy. It's nice how they're not like bright orange. It's a nice kind of orange. Even the color online looked more like corally, like peachy, but this is more on the orange side. Like in person, I really like the look of this, so I'm really happy with my first impression. There's the box. Gonna put my recycling in there and bring it down to the garbage. So yeah, we got our fresh sealed bag here. You like to see that. You know it's not some return or some shit like that. So we got the official packaging. Very nice. You can see it's $74 retail. I got it on sale, but then I paid shipping because I'm like, I need to get it. So it still was like 50 bucks. It was still pretty expensive, but I did it because they're like my favorite shorts ever, and I'm not trying to pay full price next summer when I can just get a pair now. And they sell out real quick too. Like next time I checked, they're sold out. This pair looks like bigger. I might have dried the other pair, or like Nike's just terrible with their sizing. They literally, I feel like each size is kind of like an average. There's no precise sizing, so like there's an average and each item isn't going to be exactly the same fit. So like, because obviously it's like a machine, you know what I mean? So I feel like each item varies slightly. Like these seem bigger than the other ones. The other ones were definitely like smaller. These seem big, but I'm gonna try them on just to see how they fit, show you what they're like. The reason I love them, they're super lightweight. They're like this nice like polyester-y kind of fabric. Here's Maya. She's like, what's this? Look, Maya, what are these? Do they smell good? Smells like fresh, right? Fresh clothes, look. Come in the video. Come see. Yeah. So they're this really nice like fabric-y polyester material. Let me find the material tag for you. So, see, you got the Nike, made in Indonesia, 100% nylon. So it's nylon, body, and then pockets, blah, 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 polyester. So it's nylon polyester, so it's this really nice, it's super comfortable, this loose fitting. It doesn't stretch as much, but that's still nice because then it's not gonna like rip or anything. It's not gonna like change sizes. I mean, unless you shrink, put it in the dryer. I think that's what I do with my other ones, just to like make them shrink a tiny little bit. Nike, the sizing, everything. Hey, Maya, don't eat my plants. That's rude. She's like, I wanna go outside. Freaking Nike will always shrink, like no matter what. So super comfy, and I love them because they have the zipper pockets. So that's nice to make sure nothing's falling out, especially when you're outside. If you're doing like some trail walking or just some walking in general, you don't want your keys falling out or just to lose anything. It's got this built-in belt, which I really love, just because of how easily it hooks on. It looks really nice too. Got the ACG on there, ACG logo on there too. It just looks really nice. It goes with it well. You don't have to take it out, and I don't think it comes out. I don't know if it comes out, but you don't really need to because then it would look weird. So yeah, it's just this really simple belt. Even when I'm chilling around, sometimes I just leave it off, and it's still like, they're still comfy. Just if you're like this, just like in the house, you know, like you don't care if someone sees you with your belt hanging off. Yeah, and it tightens really easy. Maybe not, yeah, see, it tightens really easy and loosens really easy. This one's just stiff since it's brand new, I guess. The other one, I think I left it like tightened when I put it in the wash and it kind of messed up the belt a little bit, but oh well, that's the only problem I found was like the washing with the belt. It's probably best to like loosen it all the way so it doesn't like have any malformations since it's like through, but I've never had any issues because they stitch it on here and it looks really cool too. I like the gray and rust orange pattern, checkered pattern here. We got a white embroidered ACG. You know I love my embroidery. That shit'll last forever. It's beautiful. Embroider is the way to go. And then you get another pocket, zipper pocket on the back. Zipper pockets are my favorite, of course. You don't want to lose anything. They're nice pockets too. Like they're good size. They're not too deep. Like they're not all the way down to like the bottom seam. They're kind of like 3/4. So that's really nice. Perfect pockets size. I like the 3/4 pockets. No like crotch. Like no fly. What else can I say about it? So yeah, they're men's. Here it says capsule. They're a capsule item, I guess, but it's like sportswear. They're moved to 0, so it's made with recycled material, at least 75% cycled with fiber, so that's good to know. $74 retail. So yeah, basically just to try them on, and then I'll talk about them more when they're on. See if I can come up with some more ideas too. And yeah, the medium fits me perfect too. That's why I really love them. They're so comfortable. Yeah, awesome. So now to do the try on, and of course I do a preview at the end of all my videos, close up, so yeah, you can check that out. Okay, so they're really easy to put on. That's what I like about them. These ones definitely are a little bit bigger, I would say, but that's what's nice about this easy belt, just to tighten it up. Maybe it's because it's a newer model, like a newer release maybe. I don't think it says the season on here, no, but yeah, it might be a newer make compared to the other ones I had, which were older probably, since I got them back in the winter. So they're probably from like spring last year. Yeah. Or like spring, fall. Yeah, probably from spring last year. And these are from spring this year. So they do feel a little bit different. I think they're just like, there's more stitching, and the material might be slightly different. I feel like the other ones have like a bit of cotton in them. I don't even know. But see, these ones are a bit baggier, but I like the fit. Like it's like just above the knee. They're like pretty loose fitting, pretty like short still. It's perfect for the summertime, honestly. Then after I wash them, they shrink a bit, maybe put them in the dryer later on. They're perfect, you know? So comfy, loose fitting, they slide on easy, baggy, you can jump around in them, stretch around in them. No problem, you're out for a run, you're like sitting down, doing all kinds of stuff. They're just like super comfy. It's like you're literally wearing like boxers as shorts, you know? Like I love these. There's the extra loop right there you can attach stuff to. I kind of like the string attachments on like the zippers, except when they like get if they ever get untied like through the wash or just over time, it kind of sucks. You got to make sure you keep tying them because you don't want them to fall off. Yeah, very cool. I'll go grab the other ones real quick just to show you. See, these are the other trail pants. They're definitely a bit shorter and tighter. You can even tell just by looking at them here. I don't know if the material's the same. Yeah, same material. I'm not too sure. Then you even got the ACG logo inside. I don't know if the other one had the ACG logo, I forget. Yeah, pretty much the same. Amazing shorts though, like that's all I can say. Like honestly, like 9 out of 10. Maybe a bit of like cotton in it, in the mix, like especially on the belt and stuff like that. That would definitely improve it. Or even some hemp, you know. I'm not sure what the belt's made of. Maybe like if they made the belt out of some different materials to make it stretchier. They're perfect length. They fit perfect, like in all the dimensions, all the areas. Enough room for the crotch. Pockets. Yeah. I forget what else. I'll toss the other ones on quick just to show you. Easy, like say you're in Russia at the beginning of the day, you slide them on so quick, or you're out like camping or like at the cottage or something, just easy to toss on and off. Like these are what I wore to the cottage, and it was like the perfect, comfiest shorts you could wear. See, they're a bit like shorter, and they feel like tougher. I don't know if these were like, has just more material in it or something. Like these just feel like thicker. Even like the pockets in these feel like thicker. Maybe it's from washing it. I'm not sure. It do look the same though, so I'm not sure. Does the stitching go a different way? No, I'm not sure. Like maybe it's just, see how it unties and stuff? Maybe that just goes to my point how the sizing for Nike is like more of an average. Really love it though. I don't forget what else to say. Yeah, thanks for watching. Preview. Very wrinkly.
I'm wide, just a mirage, wait. I'm in the garage, I need a massage. I'm cooking the sauce and I'm the floss and I'm about to I hit the applause and get it in shit for regret. I'm signing my hope to help with my credit, you get me like that. Saying yeah, sometimes I feel like a travel. Sometimes I feel like a rapper. I'm in the six of my rappers. With my boy going backwards. Run up on me in disaster. You get them tricks in your head. Saying yeah, you caught up in the game. I don't need a private play. I just want to heal the poverty when it comes to rapping me and I'm a lead. Put a pretty penny food prophecy. Said John and Benny popping bottles. We just need to get it tested with the throttle. All the pilots to tomorrow. Girl, it's a fella don't lie to me. Your body, I hit the lottery.